Hey, what's up? Don't click away. Today I will be covering REFOX's DF45 desktop workstation cleaner. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Javi Guzman with Mr. Phone Doctor and Smart Tech Solutions. In this episode, I will be covering REFOX's latest DF45 portable workstation cleaner. Now this guy allows you to get a perfect lamination without getting any of those pesky debris, lint, whatever it is. This is going to keep your workstation clean so you get a nice clean application 100% of the time. So overall, the DF45 is very user friendly. It runs on a regular 110 cable, which can easily be plugged in and switched on. Once you have it on, you get several different presets up on top here. You have several channels. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you have your wireless charger icon. So on the left side, you can see that you have a few USBs. You have 3 total. Each one of these is a QC 3.0, so you can expect rapid charging times. And you're also going to get a PD 45 watts, so that's going to power up devices quicker using USB-C. Now on the other side, you are going to have a couple USBs as well. So you're going to have a USB-C on channel 5, and this one's just a regular 5 volt, 2 amp. And these other USBs, 6, 7, 8, will be your standard USB charge as well. So not bad. I mean, overall, you get about 8 outputs to charge any of your portable devices. And up on top, it does have your Qualcomm charger, your QI, I should say, wireless charger. So if you want to just do a wireless charging, you can just set your phone up on top, and boom, you're ready to charge. Unfortunately, mine came damaged, so I wasn't able to test that feature, but it is there, and so if you want to charge your phone on top, feel free to do so. My personal opinion on this is actually, for our day-to-day use, we like to keep this in our environment where we're doing our laminations. So to prevent any kind of dirt or dust or anything piling in, I'm not a big fan of having all these different types of charging devices and everything like that. So me personally, I like the first generation that doesn't have any charging. We strictly use this just for a clean station. We don't use it to charge any devices at all. So we have less items where we laminate, thus less likely to have any kind of particles come up and cause any kind of dust that may be blown off onto the screen because they're there. So mind you, great features. So if you are a smaller shop and you like to have just one and charge your devices, this is a great machine. So on the front of here, you can see your different channels as I talked about earlier. So the cool thing is it does let you know how much amperage is being pulled, and of course how many volts you're using whenever you have your device plugged in. So really handy feature for those of us that want to know how much power is being drawn. Then this is there for you to visibly see that, which is really cool. Now, some of the main features on this machine is your fan and your dust detection lamp and your regular LED lamp. You can see that your dust detection is here. If you hit your dust detection, we turn green. See that? So we have a very nice green, and this is gonna light your screen area that you're laminating or about to laminate, so that way you can see any kind of debris or any kind of particles that are on there. And then you also have your regular dust light, which is up on top here. Very nice bright light. And last but not least, you have your fans. Fans are going to be located right in here, and there's actually 3 of them. I know I said there was 2, but excuse me for that. But you do have 3 motorized. They're similar to CPU fans, but what happens is you get fresh air blown through these fans. And the cool thing is, on the back side, you'll notice that you have filters. So all along this back grid here, you have filter that is basically filtering the air out, getting any kind of particles, and blowing cool, fresh air out here, thus leaving your front laminating area clean and ready to laminate. So really cool. You do have a couple dividers here as well. So if you wanted to set some devices, you can set a device here and divide it like so. Now what I want to do is I want to get a screen that we will be doing just a quick little cleaning, just so we can show you how well this little fan blows off any kind of particles. So let me go grab that real quick. All right, I'm back. And while I was digging for an LCD to do this trial run on, I found its baby brother right here. So you guys can do a side-by-side comparison. Very similar. The only major upgrades were of course the USB chargers and the wireless charger up on top. So if you guys need wireless charging, go with this one, or USB charging. And if you just want a standalone clean area, go with the DF40. And as mentioned, we do have this one available on our web store, training.mrphonedoctor.com, ready to go. And this is our daily workhorse right here. We use this guy all the time. Okay, so this is the LCD that we will be doing our debris test on, just so you can see how well this fan blows out clean, fresh air. So we'll hit our fan and we will hit our dust detection. So with this air being blown out, it allows us to get a nice spot-free finish. Now mind you, when you guys are doing this step, always wear some latex gloves. Our hands by nature do have particles of dirt and debris, so if you're not wearing any gloves, you're more than likely gonna have something fall off your hands onto the screen. So always wear gloves, okay? But you can see, I mean, we've had this sitting here and I don't see any dust or any kind of particles fall on top of it. So a few little water stains. This screen survived a fire, so it got partially distinguished, but I couldn't find anything else that I can use for this purpose. But overall, there is no lint or any extra particles falling on here. So really cool. So if you guys are looking for a solution to give you guys a nice clean work area, I highly do recommend the DF45, or if you want to go with the 40 version, go with that one there. All right, so this was a short and sweet video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If there's anything in detail you do want me to film or video, please leave it down in the comment section. I'll do my very best to get a video out on that. And just stay tuned. We have a lot of videos coming out, and I really do think you guys will enjoy them. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Surgeon signing out. Cheers.